Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at unboxing 5 of my Tomica, the Japanese diecast brand. I've got 2 basics. I've got a Toyota Sora. It's one of those, I'm guessing, hydrogen cell or fuel cell buses, and that's a 1:137 scale. Then I've got a Gari full trailer. That is a 1:128 scale. Then I've got 3 Tomica premiums, which I quite like. I've got a Ferrari FXXK, a Lamborghini Essenza SCV12, and a classic Testarossa by Ferrari. I'm going to look at these 2, do just a basic review, but the other 3 I'll do a review and I'll put them on the turntable as well, just because they're premium and they look way better than the basic Tomica. But if you like more detailing, guys, I would highly recommend Tomica Vintage Neo Limited. They're like your mini GTs or your tarmac works. Okay, I'm going to start off with the fuel cell bus by Toyota. It's just been called a Sora. Looks pretty neat on the artwork. Let's check the inside. That's the bus, guys. Looks pretty neat overall, but nothing impressive. There's not a lot of detailing on these basics by Tomica, but I guess I just bought them out of curiosity because the artwork looks really good. It's just got the Toyota logo, the fuel cell bus on the front, fuel cell bus on the side, on both the sides, and just the Toyota logo at the back. It's got a little tiny Sora fuel cell. Okay, let's look at this Gari full trailer. That's the truck with the trailer, guys. It came in 2 separate pieces. I had to clip that one together, and now it's one long trailer. It's obviously not a 1/64 scale because they're much bigger in size. I've got a few cabs, Kenworth, Peterbilt, Mack, and Scania. So plenty of artwork, but they're all just stickers that's been stuck on the side of the vehicle. It's got a rainbow, ice candy. Not too bad though for the price. Okay, let's move on to the premiums now, guys. That's a beautiful Ferrari FXXK. I've got this in 1:18 scale. I'm waiting for Mini GT to release this as well. Hopefully they'll jump into Ferraris soon because they always seem to do Lamborghinis most of the time. But then they've got the other brand, BBR. They've been doing a fair few Ferraris, but quite expensive, guys, compared to Mini GTs. But the detailing is just way over the top. Okay, that's the Tomica Premium, guys. Looking much better than your basic, but there's nothing outstanding. In this case, the Hot Wheels Premiums have much better rims and rubber tires. This one's just plastic. But it looks pretty neat overall, guys. I don't mind it. Alright guys, let's look at the beautiful Lamborghini Essenza SCV12. I've got this in Hot Wheels Premium as well, but I quite like the model. I was going to get a 1:24 scale for the detailing, but I just ended up sticking to the 1/64 scale. This one looks a bit better than the Hot Wheels Premium, and I'll show you guys why. That's the beautiful car, guys. Absolutely love it. They've got the extra chrome detailing on the fog lights. The Hot Wheels one is much more like a Spectre frame. It really shines like a metallic color scheme, but this one's pretty good too. I'm gonna paint the exhaust with some chrome. It's got some tail lights, rear spoiler, and when I told you a little while ago that this one's better than the Hot Wheels Premium, it's got a plastic chassis, plastic wheels. Hot Wheels got the rubber tires going on, but this was kind of need to be assembled a little bit. And I guess that's the Japanese technology, and that's just the way how Japanese operate. They try and bring a lot of nuances to their manufacturing, their models, their lifestyle, and pretty much just their culture as well. So I've already done that. I've assembled it. So it was the rear spoiler and the base. That one there, which is detachable. But I'm not going to detach it now. I'll just pop them on the turntable. Okay, we're down to the last one, guys. This is a beautiful Ferrari Testarossa by Tomica Premium. I've got this in one of the other premium models out of China. Obviously unlicensed, but they've done a spectacular job, guys. But that's for another day. I'll get this guy out of the box. Wow, look at that, guys. I guess a premium is after all a premium. I'm quite liking it. The only sad thing, there's no side mirrors, but it's got painted blinkers, grille, Ferrari logo, beautiful beige interior. It's got that Ferrari horse logo or pony. It's got Testarossa up here. Chrome exhaust, not too bad. Plastic base, plastic wheels, but the rims look pretty neat on this one. I'm kind of wondering if these actually, oh yes they do. Wow, look at that, guys. That's impressive. Tomica Premium, guys. That's the Japanese for you. Very impressive. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. That's all the cars and vehicles we had to look at today. We had to look at the Toyota Sora fuel cell bus. We had to look at the Gari Gari Kun trailer, the FXXK, Ferrari, Lamborghini Essenza, SCV12, and the last one was this beautiful Testarossa by Ferrari. As always guys, stay blessed. God bless you all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. I shall catch you in my next unboxing video. Thanks guys.